Welcome to today's video where we are going to tackle a common problem that many developers face in their projects. The problem we will be addressing involves dealing with circular imports when defining interrelated Pydantic schemas in a FastAPI application structured with different modules. This issue can be quite frustrating to handle, but fear not, as we have a solution that will help you navigate through these challenging waters. Now, let's delve into the solution that can help resolve the circular import errors when defining Pydantic schemas that reference each other. The first part of the solution involves structuring your code in a specific way to avoid these import conflicts. In the my_app.modules.box.schemas.py file, we define the box response schema, which includes an attribute that references the toResponse model. By using string literals for the reference, we prevent the circular import error from occurring and ensure a smooth workflow within our application. Continuing with our solution, the my_app.modules.toy.schemas.py file plays a crucial role in resolving the circular import issue. Here, we implement conditional importing using type_checking to ensure that the boxResponse class is only imported during type checking. By carefully structuring our code in this manner, we can seamlessly reference the boxResponse schema within our toResponse schema without encountering any circular import errors. In summary, by following these steps and structuring your Pydantic schemas with care, you can effectively handle circular imports in your FastAPI application. Remember, a well-organized codebase is key to avoiding such issues and ensuring the seamless operation of your project. I hope this solution has been helpful to you in overcoming the challenges of dealing with circular imports. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. And as always, happy coding!